Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad simple, easy method. Start by selecting waxy potatoes and cutting them into even chunks so they cook consistently. Boil gently until fork tender, then cool slightly before tossing with dressing. Mix a simple dressing of mayo, mustard, vinegar, and salt, then fold in chopped celery and herbs. Chill briefly to meld flavors and serve warm or cold, depending on preference. Peel or leave skins based on preference and cut potatoes into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Place them in cold, salted water and bring to a gentle boil, watching closely so they remain intact. While potatoes cook, combine mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper for a balanced dressing. Fold dressing into warm potatoes so it absorbs, then add chopped celery and onions for crunch before chilling briefly. Keep flavors balanced by tasting as you go and adjusting acidity or salt incrementally. If the salad tastes flat, a splash of pickle juice or extra vinegar livens it up without adding volume. For texture, fold in diced celery and red onion and sprinkle fresh dill or chives before serving. Consider a pinch of smoked paprika or black pepper for warmth, but avoid overmixing to protect potato shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.